Hello, this is Trevor down at Wilkins Harley-Davidson on this nice cold wintry day. We're going to be starting a 107 to a 128 build on our friend Peter's Road Glide. So we're going to get some base runs and get this thing going. So our base runs, we're going to be starting with 73 horsepower and 98 foot-pounds of torque. It's only up from here. Monster up in the dyno. We begun with 73 horsepower and 98 foot-pounds of torque, and we ended with 126 horsepower and 135 foot-pounds of torque.